Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for stopping by. I got here for two reasons. The first one is you need some entertainment, and second one, you need some tips and tricks. You are in the right place. And after some videos, people ask me too many questions. Some people want to know me, where I am at. I'm in Texas right now, and I'm taking some design classes and some drawing classes. I love design and drawing actually, and I love which medium is my favorite. My favorite medium is too many medium, but I'm falling in love with ink and charcoal, I guess, and I love also watercolor, pastel, too many colors. So stay with me and watch the videos what I have. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and if you are new here, please consider to subscribe because it helps me and create more videos.
And 7
More speed.
and then no kids showed up because parents were out, so I left it to
More speed.
Two.
More speed. The reason I know you're not going at full speed is because I can hear the motor. Be careful about digging in too much on the bottom. See if you can flatten that side hand out a little bit, but keep everything else the exact same.
Now we need Adil, I need you.
There you go. The interesting thing, okay, is that you honestly don't know if you're centered unless you're going full speed. Okay, not only are you letting the wheel do the work, but if there's any kind of slide off, imperceptibly, off, you'll find out about it when you're going full speed. Okay, that's the reason you center at full speed. Technically, you open it like 3/4 speed. All right, but go ahead and start opening. Hands. Go ahead and put your hands all the way together. There you go. See how that stabilizes everything? Go down. When you think you're close, go ahead and stop and measure. Keep your elbows down if you can. Stop. That's it.
Like mine? Turning in.
You never done
Found
this
it?
I'd let you use one of mine.
before? A little bit of water in here. And this is once again going to be the same thing with the bowl. You can go ahead and snap, but if you want to keep these fingers out here to kind of give yourself just a little bit of confidence, feel free. Medium speed.
Before you leave today, I want you to put in writing where you are in Facebook so I can see you.
Not Facebook, like
YouTube, yeah.
There you go. Now remember, leave some of the clay down at the bottom. Remember what we did last time by taking off that rim. If you start getting dry, then stop and go get water.
Yeah, I'll take one. And the more views you get, the better.
Gently finish that one out, and then just take a look. Get some water. Keep going, keep going. Once you're doing this part of it, you can actually set it to that speed and leave it. Okay. That's good. Now, it's a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and try, instead of using this all the way through, that's a good way to start. But this is my left hand, it goes on the inside, and you can actually do this with me. Go put in your left hand over here. My right hand matches it on the other side.
Put your hair back.
Almost like you're-
Texture in it, and then sign.
I never thought about this. Almost like you're praying over the top. Okay. Now, can you feel how you can press the inside fingers into the outside fingers and then slowly come up? Let's get a little bit more water. Okay. Bring it on up. Bring it on up.
And I put it on
Gently release. You got that down? All right, give it a couple of shots, or let's really pull some of this clay down here up into the wall. Okay, but dig deep on this outside hand and match it with this other hand. Go ahead and match it just like I did before. There you go.
Does it still need a little bit right here?
Keep going. Don't stop midway and try to go back down. You're doing awesome. You do that a couple more times?
Oh, I love that. My hands are so clean too. Oh, you're not that clean right now, are you? No, I love to leave. I think I got to braid my hand.
Okay. One other bit of advice. You're doing great, but you can, especially on smaller pieces like this, you can touch inside hand and outside hand so that you have a little bit more stability. Try it that way. What do you think? Everything feels good. So, you can leave it there. It's a perfectly functional little bowl. You can go a little bit, I don't know, man, that's pretty good. Yeah, I like everything about that. You want to keep that one as it is? All right. We take this, okay? We start up the wheel at slow speed, and you make a little notch down here, okay? That's for the wire.
Stroll, because you need to probably wedge and be getting ready.
Take this. Let's stop the wheel.
I used to not Instagram was like that. Is it the one that like you take off all the
All right. I'm putting you right here. For the requirement, you still have to do one more, don't forget. But you got good instinct.
What I need to do is just waiting on my.
I redid her face. Edited it out a little bit. Where did you look it? Is when I got you. What is it you're doing?
A what? A medical what? Like a facility nearby, like first aid kit, anything. Also, your dragonfly thing fell off.
You ready?
Which one does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Go over. Okay. So when you have like a fairly dry piece of clay like that, that actually makes a great surface to adhere to. All right. So.
Finally started Act 2 for the woods. Oh, I did finally find
Scoot up on the wheel.
Exactly.
You want to get your body weight over it so that you're in complete control.
Let me tell you that.
All right, what's going to happen is that this part of your hand is
I'm gonna write it all
going to
here
get here.
because I'm gonna.
Okay. This part of your hand is going to be up here. Okay. And so when you're pushing from the side, you'll feel the clay start to rise up, and then this side catches it. It also makes this nice little pocket that you're going to lock yourself down on and get the clay to go to center before we actually start forming. You start with a little bit of water. Go ahead and get your foot on the pedal. Get comfortable. All right. Start it slow. Put your hands on it gently and kind of get used to the idea of it. Yeah, just hold it like that for a minute. That's a good position back here. We're doing good back here. Really kind of push, and you'll start to notice the clay start to move. And we're going to have to start adding speed here pretty quick. Then bring that up. Okay. And then really kind of fold it over like that. Elbows are locked down. You're looking good. Looking good.
You wanted your mask to be dry?
Well, no, it's just finally like dry enough because I had it covered for,
There you go.
I wasn't ready for it, so I had it covered.
Keep adding speed as you feel comfortable.
Because I usually take it out before it's dry. Just trying to be patient.
No, it's going to be faster. There you go. Push from that backhand. See how your knees knocking? That's how I know you're not locking in.
Okay, hold your knee next to the girl, a little bit harder in.
Push.
Good.
Will you explain what food is? How did you come to love food?
See, you're still rocking. That's how I know that.
Favorite
Yeah.
kind of food?
See what the difference it makes automatically when you put? Okay. Push, push, push. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. Oh, yeah. There it is. There it is. Gently release.
Look at that. Look how still you are.
Gently release. No, just release your hand.
Go ahead. It's harder than yours.
Almost there. A little bit more. Almost there.
Okay, I wrote it down.
Same thing. Full speed. Lock that on. Push.
Somebody else.
Push.
Think somebody got theirs.
Gently release your hands.
No.
See? Not a problem. Now put your thumbs together. And you're going to gently go down until you're about that far off the bottom. Go ahead and
Where you're at. Very good. Remember that? You know, like everybody's got it.
down.
I did, yeah.
Down.
Yeah.
Is Lego looks like modern day Jesus?
Yes. Okay. He looks like a Viking, man. That's
I'm gonna call.
Okay, gently release. Okay, stop the wheel. Have you seen me do this? You press down in the center. Bring your finger down so you know how far you are.
good time up there.
You've got about
like,
that much more to go. Just a little bit. Did y'all see I did that?
Yes.
I'm in Blake.
Everyone, I can't do it.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's it. Go ahead and stop it. This
No,
time you measure.
it's a convention of somebody's cord. It's like, it was corgis. They're like Merle.
That's it. Okay. For the most part, I mean, obviously, we're kind of concentrating on bowls today because it is kind of easy and fast, and it's a good, first. Now, for these small bowls, it's great to go ahead and use your left hand. Okay. You're going to put your
Here, but you're gonna go first, I promise.
No, you're fine.
You're going to put your fingers in, okay, and your thumb is going to press against your fingers as you gently bring it up while the wheel's moving at about a medium speed. Go ahead and go up to a medium speed.
I'll get home and he'll have this look on his face and like he'll pull his back and down.
like
I'm like, what is
liquid.
great?
Okay. These fingers go inside.
What have you chewed up
You
today?
just kept quiet, I wanted to know.
Gently squeeze and come up at the same time. Slowly, slowly. Get all the plays moving slowly. Let's see if I can get that. Now, what happens is as the clay gets thinner and thinner towards the top, you have to kind of ease off the pressure, or else you'll be like you're snapping your fingers right against that rim. Okay? You're good. What's going to happen is there's going to be a little bit of wobble at the top, and I will cut that off for you when you get a little bit further out. Okay, a little bit slower. There you go. Now come in with me. Bring your hand back like it was in there with me. Feel all the way down past that notch. You feel that notch hanging? Now come up with me.
So they have like a big
Gently.
meeting at work today.
Right there.
It was just all about like.
See how fast you can make a bowl? I mean, it just almost does it by itself.
So it was cool. No, it's okay. It was stuff that I already put to practice. So it was cool.
Okay. Gently release.
I want to make a little bowl to put trinkets in. Or jewelry.
Yeah. You know, like just throw rings or keys in it or something.
It's actually a pretty interesting shape. Now see, there's this little bit of wonk wonk. And what it can do is you can slow down just a little bit more. And I'm just going to take some of this off.
Oh,
Okay, so see, that suddenly straightens it up.
right.
Okay, there's still a really thick thing of clay right here, so let's see if we can get it. Same thing before. On a bowl this small, you can, okay, just as a matter of technique. You can have this hand here and this hand here. Let me do it over here where you can see. See, this hand here and this hand here, and then you can press these together and bring it up in shape at the same time. Do you want to try that? Okay? Nope, you flip like that. See how the clay's moving away from you? You always work on this quadrant, because that way the clay is moving away from you. Keep the hands touching, keep the hands, there you go. Notice how much stability you pick up?
Let this get wet, hopefully it'll dry. And if
Don't.
not,
Go slow. If you feel the clay start to drag,
leave it uncovered.
then we need to go get water.
Let us haul it out tomorrow when you be back. Okay.
Keep
Amy,
in mind,
have you
kind of work
done
on your
that?
shape. If you want it to just be traditional, you're fine. If you want it to flare out, you're not going to have much room for it to flare out.
Okay. What kind of names you want to put, or days?
Go ahead and come all the way up. Go ahead and, yeah. Try to always work top to bottom, top to bottom.
I wouldn't go past the shoulders, I'd go right on here.
Don't go too much thinner. Boy, you got it.
I don't know.
Where?
That's cool
where's
though.
the
I mean, if you can
picture?
pull that
Oh,
off,
that's all right.
more power
That's
to
no
you.
problem.
You want me to rip something? I'll rip it.
Okay, I think we're gonna call this one. Yeah, before I go too much further. All right, keep it going like that. You're going to make a notch at the bottom, like so. We'll just make it a little bit like that. Go ahead and give it a shot. Don't go too much deeper than I did. And what that does is it gives a groove. Go ahead and stop the wheel. It gives a groove for the wire to follow as you're going to cut underneath the pot. All right, so go ahead and grab those.
Grab the wire.
Yep.
Okay, now, get the sort of the The whole thing.
Good enough. All right,
I'm just sorry.
we're putting you right.
That does hollow all the way down, right?
Right here. There you go.
Hold it.
To the
Okay, we can keep both wheels going at the same time. You ever break
We
one?
need to keep both wheels going. 2 people can be working.
I haven't I don't know what to do to get ready.
Okay, go ahead and come over here. You want to go ahead and sit there? Chunk that down right there in the middle of that clay disc. When you wet, who's that?
Are you, is the head hollow?
This is very similar
Yeah. The
to
next thing, let me see if this
wedging,
is dry enough.
or excuse
Yes,
me,
I think it's
kneading
about dry
bread.
enough. That's
You
enough.
don't ever fold it over. You don't push it flat. You constantly let it push down on itself. And if it gets a little bit long, you can turn, kind of push down. See how this is kind of rolling into a spiral? You just keep doing that. It only takes like maybe 20, 30 strokes for this stuff. And then just pat it into a nice smooth
Now,
round
let's
ball.
keep it that thick for right now. We'll
Okay.
hollow a little bit more
Ready?
later. Okay, but first of all,
All right. Go ahead and put a little bit of water on it. All right, start the wheel up slowly and just go ahead and leave your hands on it and just kind of feel what it feels like with the thing moving.
okay, do you want it straight? Do you want it to tilt? What do you want? That tilts down a little.
Okay. See how the clay moves? Now, you're already pretty much instinctively pushing back here, I can see. So you're going to go like this, and then this hand is going to come up.
Would you take a few still shots too?
All right,
of
and you're going to
throwing?
push down.
I just called Chelsea and she can't come.
Okay.
But
Okay.
she would like
Now.
for us to send her
Are you a guitar player?
No.
some
You got a
copies.
musician?
Okay.
Really? You've got a lot of strength in this pinky down here. Okay, that's what's causing this groove. Let me push that back down.
You need help?
Okay, so you want
We can add.
to push more with this
Now we're gonna
than
start
this. Okay,
work.
you don't want to scoop up. You want to kind of press in and down.
I know he told.
There you go. Once you get comfortable with that, go ahead and add some speed. Good job.
Are
You're
you
doing
ready
good.
for that?
Yes, what?
Push.
Okay, I think we got a little different
Speed.
colored plate. Do you remember how to squeeze the?
You can keep your hands down on the clay if you want to help you guide. You notice how dry it's getting there quick.
Real project.
Yeah, so it doesn't hurt to just layer that water in, and you're going to stop when you get to about 3 inches, or 3/8 of an inch off the top, or close to 1 centimeter. So go ahead and stop.
I think even Austin Community College has those.
Yep, all the way down. And you saw how I did that while ago? Okay.
There is a page called
That's about it. Now, kind of sticking with the bowl thing.
Yeah.
Okay. The way we've been doing bowls is we start with the left hand and we put the fingers on the inside. Go ahead and start up a little bit. When you go in and you have it down to the width you need to, I keep forgetting to tell people this, but you go ahead and you kind of pull this open a little bit.
Pull it in the middle open.
Yeah. So see, now we have it a little bit wider than what we were. So this is your left hand. You're going to put it inside and you're going to reach way down with the thumb and gently squeeze and pull as you come up. Gently and slowly. Don't make a ring at the top. Ooh, go slower, go slower. It's cool because it does give you the strength to do a lot of things that some people can't do on the wheel. You've got a lot of power in your grip. So you can play guitar or you'd be a great potter, either one. See if I can push this back down a little bit. Okay, here's what needs to happen. You need to thin out this rim. If you see what I'm doing with my fingers, go ahead and slow down just a little bit more. You have a super thin spot right here. I think we're okay. Okay. Take this and you're going to make a notch down here at the bottom.
Trying to go slowly.
No, I think you're okay.
It's just hollow. It is hollow.
Good job. Stop it.
Some people add stuff and then they put it to hollow it out.
I'm already 10 steps ahead.
Yeah.
Is it done? Not yet?
I'm going to put you